Good morning and welcome back. Today we're going to be up potting outside. So yes, it's a little early, but I am going to cover them in an outdoor greenhouse. So let's get to it. I'm going to put you guys down here. So today I'm going to be doing my Brussels sprouts, a couple tomatoes, and eggplant. Brussels did really well in the garden room. So, make a hole, my raised planter. I just have 4 plants this year, which is perfect. Remember to save your containers next year. And look at that root system. Very, very sturdy. I'm gonna give them lots of soil, nice fresh soil. Get our other one. I've already done 2. Look at that root system. And lots of space to grow. There's the 4 plants. And we're going to save our pots and wash them for next year. Let's get on to our tomatoes. We're going to put one here. See the root system. It's a pretty good root system. This is all new soil this year. Bring it up like that. Nice mound. Now you want to mound your tomatoes just so they have a lot of dirt to grow their roots in. There's another one here. We had a lot of rain, so the soil is quite compacted. Throw on my tags. This is the eggplant. I have 3. I bought this from the dollar store just to see how it would try out, and they did miraculously. So let's plant these ones. And the root system came out really nice. I'm just going to break them. Put them in. show you what I'm going to use for covering. Let's go on over here. Just getting some of my garden. I transferred a lot of the plants from the garden room up here so I can climatize them to the outside. So we have the door open, and then I bring them out on the front lawn in the morning, and then I put them back in the afternoon around this time so they won't get overly burnt from the sun, because you got to remember they've been in a garden room growing, and it's been the temperature and the light has been regulated. So I bought these from the dollar store, and this helps with frost and whatnot. We're probably not going to have any frost or anything. They do sell these for $3. It's a greenhouse kit, but the hoops are too small for my plants, so I got the mesh guards. And I will cover it with the plastic instead of the mesh, and then the mesh I'll do probably remove it, and I'll put the mesh in May so no birds can get at my plants. So I'm just gonna get this all out. Take the little protectors off, and we're gonna start right here at the end. This is just going to hold the plastic in place. So I'm going to use the plastic part of the greenhouse. And I think I'll get my lovely husband to pass me the water. Can you pass me the hose, please? We'll water them before covering them up with the plastic. Now this little greenhouse kit was $2. Can you turn the water on, please? So while we're waiting on him, we'll get the greenhouse started. And this will protect our plants. And give them a little water. There we go. I'll move you guys because I don't want to put you in the greenhouse. Hopefully. We can just go like that and you guys can watch. Tuck it like this. Do that side. This side's done. Come over here. Take this one. Hook it through the thing. Can you get me electrical tape, please? Bigger for the tomato. And I'm gonna make this one bigger. Okay. I'm gonna just roll that in. And I'm just gonna tape it. The ends. Can I have the tape, please? Sorry. My husband gets a little distracted when he's helping me. So that's all we have to do. And if there's any chance of frost, I will put the frost protection on. And I'll show you what it's going to look like with the frost protection, just for reference. And this was $3.50 at Dollarama. You can actually leave it on now. Cover it like so. This is quite large. So fold it nice and neatly. Very long. Fell down. And then you would just put dirt on the edges just to hold it down. And this is a good frost protector. Do the front, just tie it. Edge with some dirt to hold it down from the wind, and this long piece at the end I will just cut. So this will be our outdoor greenhouse for now, and it will protect our plants from all frost. And it's very easy to water. You just lift up the side and water. Yes, so that's up potting some Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, and eggplant. Finally get to plant. It's looking nice now, considering we just had a major windstorm yesterday. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.